my god. Yeah. I have so much to tell you. You're gonna freak out.
So basically, I get to work, and obviously I stood there and I was just like, okay, well, I'm just gonna wait. So we were friends for a really long time. Legit cuts me off and goes, well, oh my god, my high school didn't even let me celebrate with them. It's like, it's not even him, and then she comes to my birthday party, and then all of a sudden, she starts dating my ex. Sorry, who does she actually think she is? You're my friend. The principal lies with me, right? All of a sudden, she brings him into the store.
Yeah, I'm not even kidding. I should have slapped that man. Did you change something about the recipe?
Είναι διαφορετική μάρκα φασόλια. Σου αρέσανε ή δεν σου αρέσανε?
Yeah, it's a good thing. I like it. They're really good.
Μπήκε σε ένα φούρνο και έκλεψε ένα κουλούρι. Οι πελάτες άρχισαν να γελάνε καθώς ο σκύλος έτρεχε γρήγορα στο δρόμο με το φαγητό του στο στόμα. Ο φουρναρνής είπε ότι
Sorry, I know it's bad. No. It's good. It's just different.
Αγάπη μου, ζήσεις γιαγιά, χρόνια πολλά καρδούλα μου, love you.